Hi everyone, this is Cyrus from AIML and my topic is complex binary number system. Let Introduction. Complex binary number plays a unique and very important role in a wide varieties of computer application. History has recorded that in 1545 Cardano invented the use of under root minus 1 during investigation of the roots of polynomials. Later in 1977, the famous mathematician Euler introduced the use of abbreviation I for under root minus 1 and originated the A plus IB notation to represent complex numbers. In electrical and computer engineering, we use the symbol J instead of I resemble because it is easier to distinguish between the number 1 and j than between 1 and I. The fast Fourier transform in most digital signal processing algorithms and the geometric analysis of pixel in graphics and image processing owns the advantage to complex number. Yet despite their widespread application in digital signal and image processing, complex number are treated as distant relative of real number. Even with 100 million transistors on a single IC chip, virtually the entire complex arithmetic still involving the divide and conquer technique, that is a complex number is broken up into real and imaginary parts. Operations are then carried out on each part as if it was a part of the real arithmetic. Finally, the overall result of the complex operation is obtained by accumulation of the individual results. In 1960, Donald E. Knuth described a quarter imaginary number system based 2J and analyzed the arithmetic operation of number using the imaginary base. However, he was unsuccessful in providing a division algorithm. He considers this failure as a main obstacle towards hardware implementation of many imaginary base number systems. Walter Penny in 1964 attempted to define a complex number system first by using a negative base of -4 and then by using a complex number -1 plus j as the base. However, the main problem encountered with using these bases was again the inability to formulate an efficient division process. Stephen Kohn utilized the base j root 2 under root 2 in which the even power of these yield real numbers and the odd power of the base results in imaginary numbers. He partly unsuccessfully in resolving the division problems as an all-in-one operation. However, Stephen Nico's algorithms lacks the confirmation that it will always coverage in all circumstances. In this article, we aim to provide a simplified tutorial to the complex binary number system. The example of arithmetic operation will show that a binary number system with a complex base such as -1 plus j is advantageous for today's computer design. For instance, adding two complex numbers a plus jb and c plus jd in today's arithmetic requires two separate addition, that is a plus c and b plus d, while multiplying the two complex numbers require four multiplication ac AD, BC, BD. One subtraction J2 BD minus BD and one addition AC plus J of AD plus BC plus minus BD. This process can be efficiently reduced to just one complex addition or one multiplication and one addition respectively for the given case if each complex number is represented as one unit instead of two individual units. The base -1 plus j. The value of an n-bit number with base -1 plus j can be written in the form of a power series as follows. Here you can see the series an-1 of -1 plus j of n-1 plus n minus 2 minus 1 plus j of n minus 2 and so on. Here where the coefficients an minus 1, an minus 2, an 3, an 2a 1, a0 are binary, either 0 or 1. Binary always in the form of 0 or 1. This is analog to the ordinary number system power series of an minus 1, 2 n minus 1, an minus 2, 2 of n minus 2 plus so on, except that the bases are different. Binary representation for complex number conversion algorithm for integers. Let's first begin with the case of positive integer n. To represent n is the complex binary number system, we follow these steps. Express n in terms of powers of 4 using division process. Now convert the base 4 q5, q4, q3, q2, q1, q0 to base minus 4 by replacing each digit in odd location q1, q3, q5 with its negative 2 minus q5, q4 minus q3, q2 minus q1 and q0. Normalize the new number, that is get each digit in the range of 0 to 3 by repeatedly adding 4 to the negative digits and adding a 1 to the digit on its left. If the digit is 4, replace it by 0 and subtract a 1 from the digit on its left. To represent the given number in the base minus 1 plus j, we replace each digit in base minus 4 representation with the corresponding 4 bit sequence. 0, that is represented as 0 0 0 0. 1 we can represent it as 0 0 0 1. 2 represented as 1 1 0 0. 3 represented as 1 1 0 1. Thus 2000 base 10 equal to, here you can see 1 2 0 1 1 0 0. Base minus 4 equal to 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. Hence here you can see the instructions, and this can be verified by computing the power series. Here you can see the power series is minus 1 plus j of 24 plus minus 1 plus j of 23 plus minus 1 plus j of 22 so on equal to 2000. To convert a negative integer into base minus base representation, we simply multiply the representation of the corresponding positive integers with the 1 1 1 0 1 equivalent to base minus 1 base minus 1 plus j according to the multiplication algorithm given under arithmetic operation for complex binary number system. Thus minus 2000 base 10 equal to, this is the algorithm, you can see here arithmetic operation, and this can be verified by using the power series. Here again you can see the power series same as here arithmetic operation. Here we can see only two basic arithmetic operations, that is addition and subtraction. Now addition, the binary addition of two complex numbers follows these rules. 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 0 equal to 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 1 1 0 0. These are the thumb rules. These rules are very similar to the traditional binary arithmetic. The exception is the last case, when two ones are added, then sum is 0 and instead of just one carry, two carries are generated. These two carries propagate towards the two adjoining positions after skipping the immediate neighbor of the sum column. That is, if two numbers with ones in position n are added, this will result in 1s in position n plus 3 and n plus 2 and 0 in position n plus 1 and n in the sum. Similar to the ordinary computer rule, where 1 plus 1 1 1 to limits of machine equal to 0, we have 1 1 plus 1 1 1 equal to 0. That is called 0 rule. Subtraction, and here another arithmetic operation is subtraction. The binary subtraction of two complex numbers follows these rules. 0 minus 0 equal to 0, 0 minus 1 equal to star 1 minus 0 equal to 1, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Three of the four conditions listed in these rules are the same as for subtraction in the ordinary binary system. For the case 1 is subtracted from 0, star case in this rule, the following algorithm applies. Assuming our minute is an an1 and an2, ak plus 4ak plus 3ak plus 2ak plus and so on, and subtracted in bn1, bn2, bk, 4bk, 3bk plus 1bk, so on. Then the results of subtracting 1 from 0 is obtained by changing ak gives rise to ak plus 1, ak plus 1 gives rise to ak plus 1 unchanged, ak plus 2 equal to ak plus 2 plus 1, ak plus 3 equal to ak plus 3 plus 1 and so on, and bk gives rise to 0. Here you can see one example. Subtract 1 plus 3j from 2. Solution in base minus 1 plus j notation we have 2 minus 1 plus 3j equal to 1100 minus 1010 equal to 0100 minus 0010 equal to 111110 minus 000000 by algorithms equal to 111110 base of minus 1 plus j. This can be verified to be equivalent to 1 minus 3j by equating the power series minus 1 plus j of 5 plus minus 1 plus j of 4 plus minus 1 plus j of 3 plus minus 1 plus j of 2 plus minus 1 j of 1. Here conclusion, arithmetic procedure for a minus 1 plus j base binary number gives complex number to be represented as one unit. This should simplify the operation involving complex number in today's microprocessor. With the division process secures, we can implement the usual algorithm for calculating functions and process such as algorithm exponential and trigonometrical function. Currently work is underway to write Java applications for the algorithm. We are planning to design an arithmetic unit based on the new binary system, which will be implemented using field program gate arrays. Okay, thank you.